Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss some problems on the steady state error from the previous university question papers. So this is a problem from July 2018, module 5, 5b. A unity feedback system has g of s equals to 20 into s plus 1 divided by s into s cube plus 6s square plus 8s. Calculate the steady state error when the input r of t is 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So here given open loop transfer function g of s equals to 20 into s plus 1 divided by s into s cube plus 6s square plus 8s. So I'll write g of s as here, and I'll take s common from this. So I'll get s square into s square plus 6s plus 8. So here this is s square is there are two poles at the origin, so this is type 2 system. So static error constants first we will calculate. So first one, positional error constant Kp, which is given by limit s tends to 0 g of s. So limit s tends to 0 g of s, I will substitute 20 into s plus 1 by s square plus 6s plus 8. So since if I substitute s equal to 0, I'll get infinity. Similarly, velocity error constant Kv I will find out, which is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So limit s tends to 0 s into g of s. So here s square and s are cancelled, so one more s remain. If I substitute s equal to 0 in this denominator, so something by 0 is infinity. Similarly, I will calculate acceleration error constant Ka, which is equals to limit s equal to 0 s square into g of s. So which is equals to limit s equal to 0 s square into 20 into s plus 1 by s square into s square plus 6s plus 8. So s square gets cancelled, and if I substitute s equal to 0 in this, I'll get 20 by 8, which is equals to 2.5. So I'm calculated steady state error constants. Now I'll calculate the steady state error when the input is 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. The input consists of all the three types of inputs, that is r of t is equals to 40 plus 2t plus 5t square. So I will express 5t square. Express 5t square as a by t square by 2 parabolic input. This is step input, this is ramp, and this is parabolic. So according to the parabolic signal, so I will express this 5t square as at square by 2. Then what I have to do, 5 into numerator and denominator I will divide by 2 into t square. So I will get 10 by 2 t square. So expressing 5t as 10 by 2 t square to get into standard parabolic form. So now my input r of t is 40 plus 2t plus 10 t square by 2. So the input consists of a step of magnitude of magnitude 40. So A1 I will take 40. Next, a ramp of magnitude 2. So A2 is equals to 2. And third one parabolic input of magnitude 10. So i.e. A3, that is A3 equals to 10. So ESS is expressed as A1 by 1 plus Kp plus A2 by Kv plus A3 by Ka for all for given input R of t. So A1 is 40, 1 plus 1 Kp value we got infinity, so 1 plus infinity. Similarly A2 is 2 divided by Kv also we got infinity, plus A3 is 10 and the Ka value we got is 2.5. The Ka value we got is 2.5, so this is 2.5. So this is 40 divided by infinity, it will be 0, 2 by infinity will be 0. This is 10 divided by 2.5, it will be around 3.57, which is approximately equal to 4. So ESS is given as 4. So now we will do one more problem, university problem. This is January 2000 1920 problem. A unity feedback system has an open loop transfer function g of s is equals to k into 2s plus 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 1 whole square. The input R of t is 1 plus 2t is applied to the system. Determine the maximum value of k if the steady state error is less than 0.1. So in this he given the input and he is asking you to determine the value of k when the steady state error, combined steady state error for this input is less than 0.1. So first of all, let us find out the static error coefficients. So here our open loop transfer function g of s is given by k into 2s plus 1 divided by s into s plus 1 into s plus 1 whole square. So I'll write total s plus 1 whole cube. So I'll get k by 2s plus 1 divided by a plus b whole cube I will apply. So I'll get s cube plus 3ab square, so 3s, next 3a square b, so I'll get 3a square is s square plus 1 b cube. So here in this is a type s power 1 is there, so this is a type 1 system. So for type 1 we have only velocity error constants. Let us find out the static error constants. Static error constants, first of all we'll find out Kp, positional error constant, limit s equals to 0 into g of s, which is limit s equals to 0, g of s is k into 2s plus 1 divided by s into s cube plus 3s square plus 3s plus 1. So if I substitute s equal to 0 in this equation will become infinity. Similarly, I will find out Kv, velocity error constant, limit s tends to 0, s into g of s. So this is limit s equals to 0, s into k, 2s plus 1 divided by s into s cube plus 3s square plus 3s plus 1. So s gets cancels. Now if I substitute s equal to 0, this 2 into 0 will be 0, I'll remain 1, here it is also 1. So here I'll get only 1, Kv is 1 I'll get. So Kv 1, here k is there, so here I'll get k. So Kv is equals to k. Now for the input R of t, my input R of t is 1 plus 60. I have two inputs, one is step input and another one is ramp input with magnitude 6. So my ESS is given by A by 1 plus Kp plus A2 by Kv. So here the input consists of step input of magnitude 1. So A1 is equals to 1. Next, I have one more input, a ramp input of magnitude 6. So A2 is 6. Substituting these values, the ESS is given as ESS is less than 0.1. So A1 by 1 plus KP value is infinity. A1 is 1 plus A2 is 6 divided by KV is K is equals to ESS 0.1. So this is equals to 1 by infinity will be 0 plus 6 by K is equals to 0.1. From this K equals to 6 by 0.1 which is 60. So K value is 60 for this problem. This is the answer. Next, we calculate one more problem, university question paper problem, that is a unity feedback system. This is asked in July 19. A unity feedback control system G of S is given by K by S into S plus 2 into S square plus 2S plus 5. For a unit ramp input, it is desired that ESS is less than 0.2. Find K and also determine ESS if the input R of t is equal to 2 plus 4t plus t square by 2. So let us find out. Let us first find the open loop transfer function. So open loop transfer function G of S is given by K into S into this S plus 2 is multiplied with S square plus 2S plus S. So I'll get S cube plus 4S square plus 9S plus 10 I'll get after multiplying these two terms. So this is S power 0. This comes under type 1 system. So there is only one pole at origin. So this is type 1 system. Now let us find out static error constants. So Kp. So Kp is limit S tends to 0 into G of S. This value will be limit S equals to 0. G of S is K divided by S into S cube plus 4S square plus 9S plus 10. So what happens if I substitute S equal to 0? Something by 0 it will be infinity. Similarly, I'll find out Kv. Limit S equals to 0, S into G of S. So limit S equals to 0, S into G of S is K by S into S cube plus 4S square plus 9S plus 10. So here S gets cancels. If I substitute S equal to 0, I'll get K by 10. And K value, limit S equals to 0, S square G of S. So this is limit S equals to 0, S square K by S into S cube plus 4S square plus 9S plus 10. So this SS gets cancelled. If I substitute S equal to 0, so 0 into something, it will be 0 value. So our static error constants I have calculated. Now let us find out the value of ESS for a unit ramp input. You have to find out the value of K, that steady state error is ESS. So first one, for unit ramp input, that is R of t is equals to t, ESS is given by 1 by kV. So kV value we already find out, we got K by 10. So ESS value for is less than 0.2. So let us equate it to 0.2. So this implies 1 by K. So 1 by K by 10 is equals to 0.2. This implies K is equals to we'll get 50. K equals to 50. So now K value we got 50. Let us substitute this 50 according to 50 in this, and we'll find out static error for steady state error when the input R of t is 2 plus 4t plus t square by 2. So we have to find out again all the Kp, Kv values. So since it is type 2 system, type 1 system, we need to calculate only Ka. So what is the value of Ka now? Ka is given by K by 10, that is nothing but K is 50 by 10, that is 5. Now the input R of t, is 2 plus 40 plus t square by 2. The input consists of step, ramp and also parabolic. The input consists of step of magnitude 2, so A1 is equals to 2. Second, ramp of magnitude 4, so A2 is equal to 4. Next, third, parabolic of magnitude unity, since it is t square by 2, so A3 is 1. So ESS is given by A1 by 1 plus Kp. So A1 is 2, I'll substitute 2 here, plus A2 by Kv. This is A1 by, this is A2 by Kv and A3 by Ka. So if I substitute this as 2 by 1 plus Kp is infinity, 1 plus infinity, this is A2 is 4 divided by Kv is 5, 4 by 5 plus A3 is 0, A3 is 1 and Ka is 0, this I'll get infinity. So ESS value is infinity. So these are the problems on steady state error from previous university question papers. Thank you.